Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you? I hope that you will be fine. Today we'll discuss about the etiquette of speaking. If you want to achieve your desired objective in your life, then you have to adopt different types of etiquettes, different types of skills and different techniques. Similarly, if you want to improve your accent, your personality, your speaking skills, and if you want to make the place in the hearts of others, then you have to adopt 7 techniques, 7 etiquettes of speaking. Number 1 is be brief and to the point. In your speaking, be brief, because if you explain the things, then it may be possible that you can make different types of mistakes in your speaking. Number 2, be polite and pleasant. In your speaking, you should be polite and you should be pleasant. If your words are unpleasant, if your facial expression is unpleasant, if your words are very hard, then you cannot make your speaking very impressive. And if you're speaking, if your words, if your vocabulary is not impressive, then you cannot improve. You cannot make your accent, your speaking impressive, and your listeners will get boredom. Number 3 is explain personal experiences in a befitting manner, in a suitable manner, because if your personal experiences, you are not going to explain them in a very useful or in a very positive manner, then you cannot improve your speaking. You cannot have a good chat with others. Number 4, avoid criticism and unnecessary arguments. In your speaking, if you give negative arguments, if you give unnecessary arguments, and if you don't avoid criticism, then you are going to make bad relations with others. If your relations are bad with others, if your relations are bad with your listeners, then you cannot improve the speaking skill, and it means that you are going wrong. You are going against the etiquette of speaking. Number 5 is listen to others carefully. It is said that good listeners are good speakers. If you are a good listener, if you want to become good listener, then listen others' accent, listen others' vocabulary, impressive words, and listen others' ideas and what they want to say. Then discuss with them and listen with interest, and then speak with interest. Listen in a good manner, and then speak in a good manner. Number 6 is keep your voice, your accent, and facial expressions accordingly. If your words are good but your facial expressions are bad, and if your voice is good but your words are bad, if your accent is very good but your selected words are wrong, then these things can make your speaking very bad. So be polite, your voice should be very impressive, your accent should be very impressive, and your facial expressions should be very happy, should be very good, because you are going to impress your listeners by your facial expressions, by your words, by your voice, by your accent as well. Last etiquette of speaking is be flexible and not egoist. If your tone, if your facial expressions, if your words, if your vocabulary, if your sentences are not flexible, then it means that you are going against the etiquette of speaking. So dear students, dear listeners, these were the 7 principles, these were the 7 etiquettes of speaking. I hope that if you adopt these etiquettes, then you can get desired results in speaking. Thank you very much. And inshallah we'll meet in next video. Please like our channel and subscribe it. Thank you very much. Till next video. Assalamu alaikum. Khuda Hafiz.